Success. Success is not the result of chance, but rather the product of hard work, perseverance, and unwavering belief. Every small step you take today brings you closer to the ultimate goal you envision. Don't let failures or obstacles stop you, but use them as valuable lessons that will strengthen you. Remember, big dreams require big perseverance. You are the creator of your own destiny. Don't wait for the right time or permission from others to start. Take control of your life and dare to dream bigger. There is great power in strong determination and unanimous belief. If you believe in yourself, you can overcome any challenge that lies ahead of you. Life is about the journey, not just the destination. Enjoy every step on your journey to success. Accept that there are ups and downs, but never give up. Use failure as a stepping stone to greater success. When things get tough, remember why you started and how motivated you are. Don't let fear control you. Step out of your comfort zone and be a risk taker. Courage is the key to realizing your dreams. Remember, every time you face failure, you are getting closer to infinite success. You have tremendous potential. Don't underestimate your power to change the world. Be a source of inspiration for others by realizing your dreams. Remember, true success is not only about yourself, but also about making a positive impact on the lives of others. With each new day, promise yourself to do better. Improve your skills, seek new knowledge, and expand your boundaries. You have unlimited potential to achieve amazing things in this life. You are the author of your own life story. Write an amazing and inspiring story. On this journey, be someone who never stops learning, growing, and inspiring the world around you. Remember, you have the power to achieve everything you dream of. So, believe in yourself, move forward with confidence, and be a source of inspiration to the world around you.